Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss work permit, how to apply for work permit visa, and this is going to be useful for the people who are applying for yourself. So in order to apply for a work permit in Canada, applicant generally needs to provide a valid job offer from Canadian employers, and along with the other supporting documents. This applications process or required can vary based on the type of work permit being applied for the applicant's country of origin, and it's important for individual interested in working in Canada to check the specific eligibility criteria and applications processing outlined by immigrations refugees and that is IRCC Citizenship Canada to ensure they meet all the requirements. So in order to apply, you have to you should be having a login ID. I have made a separate video how to create or login or sign up with canada.ca. So you can, I'll give the link below that. You can, by using that, you can log in. I already logged in. I just go to apply to Canada, apply to come Canada. All right, you'll get multiple questions. You should be start answering one by one. So here we have visitor visa, study and work permit in express entry, and international experience Canada. So there are three types of immigrations in this portal. So we can click it on the visitors visa, study and work permit. If you are looking for express entry, then you can click on this. So as we are looking for work permit, that is the best option as for. Alright, so please make selections that I'm going to apply for a work purpose. Select work, and then here which country that you're from, select country, and then what is your current country territory residency if you are presently in Canada. So again we are going to select India. If you are not in India, you have to mention that India still. Yeah. Do you have a family members who is in Canada? If yes, you can say yes, otherwise you can say no. Okay, so what is your date of birth? You can, your date of birth, that's all. Next. Okay, we have missed the answer yet. So you have to check that. Please make the how long you are planning to stay in Canada, that is temporary more than 6 months. Right, then you might be asked multiple questions. Find out if you are eligible to apply. First is, are you a lawful permanent resident of the United States with I would say no. No. Then I have a job offer, an employer gave me an offer, employment number of LMIA. Yes, if you have a job offer, you can say yes. So next question is, what is the status of your job offer? At least 1 year, I would say. And next, then do you plan to work in any of the following work permit exempt categories: athletics, aviation, business, civil aviation, clergy, conversions, crew member, emergency services, examiners, expert witnesses, family members, foreign government, foreign representatives, healthcare, high skill, judges, military? I don't think so. This is nothing is matching for me, so I say no. Will you becoming a Canada under the active public policy of special measure announced in IRCC? Yes. And no. Only a spouse or common law partner's study permit, full time worker. Have you recently graduated from particular Canadians? No. Okay, then I say next. Next question is, what is your marital status? If you're married, you can say married, otherwise you can say never married or single. And what is your provincial territory of destinations? If visiting multiple provinces or territory, select one in the list which is spending most of the time. So I would be selecting Alberta. Next, you can select whichever your thing visa required, and based on the information you provide the result below, candidate whether you may be eligible to come to Canada. So if you are foreign workers, visitor visa required, open work permit. So open work permit, I'll continue this. Okay, continue. So again they'll ask, what is the type of work permit do you have wanted to apply for? So I would say LMIA. We do have lot of other work permit through the seasonal agriculture work program and LMIA and intra-company transi and international agreement, active public policy, a special lot of other things are there. You can go through it, but I am going to apply for labor market impact assessment. So once this is done, did Employment and Social Development Canada issues your employee labor market impact assessment under the global talent streams? If yes, you can say yes, otherwise you can say no. It depends on the situation or your requirement. And as your labor market impacts indicates that you must become a member of professional association in Canada. If yes, you can say yes, otherwise you can say no. It all depends on your documents, so be careful while you are filling these questions. And status, applying for family members that status in Canada or recently approved to come Canada. So have you ever committed, been arrested? For sure no. Then comes okay, have you had medical exam performed by IRCC? If you are already done medical exams, you say, otherwise you say no. For me, I have not done, so I would say no, so that they'll ask me to submit the medical clearance certificate as well. Have you visited or lived in any of the designated? No, I would say, because I never lived any 6 consecutive months in Canada, so I would say no. And do you want to work in one of the following jobs: healthcare, scientist work, clinical, patients attend, medical students, medical electronics teachers, and documentary? I don't think so I would be fitting for this job, so I would say no. Once this is done, do you wanted to work in one of the following jobs? No, I just say next. And do you want to submit application for family? Now no, so I would say no. Okay, are you giving someone access to your applications? No, I will no, I'll only handle it, so I would say no for this question as well. In the past 10 years, have you been given fingerprints or photo biometrics for the applications? No, I never given. So there are free fees associated with this application. Will you be paying your fees or you're exempt? Yes, I will be paying my fees, so yes, I say. And next, okay, are you able to make digital copy of your documents and the scanner's camera? Yes, I can do it. Okay, will you be paying the application fees online to online? You can use credit card, Visa, MasterCard. Okay, I'll play online. Next. Alright, so you almost filled all the informations in this regard. So we have an editing option here. Whenever you feel like that you have given a wrong answer, you can always go to that column and click. That will redirect you to edit. So now I'm almost done, so I'll just continue here. So step 1 is you must be logged into your own account and submit the documents. They have given the document list, everything, fee structure. So I'll continue. I have read all those things, so I'm just continuing. So here is the very important point that LMIA IMM 1295 documents is required. So I just given it for loading. This applications we have to fill it and upload it there. Just taking important documents, that is referral letters. If you want instruction, you can just click here, you will get the instructions here. And LMIA, see, you must provide the employment referrals, how the letter format should be there. They have given clear picture here, so accordingly your instructions letter should be there, and that should be from the employment referral letter. And labor market impact assessment, that as well they have given the instruction, that is labor market impact assessment is document then that an employer is in Canada must usually get before hiring for a foreign worker. So they will get this and they have to share that with you. Next is family informations. This is also an extra form that we have to fill. Okay, I'll make separate video for that. And other that, your passport and employment records of your previous work experience, and your updated resume, digital photo of yours, and employment contract, and proof that you met the requirement of the job being offered in is required. So these are the important documents. This is just an optional. Got it right? Once you fill this, so overall fees is like work permit 155 rupees and the biometrics is 85. Open work permit holder, if you have any fees, overall it is 100 rupees if you have this quantity, and overall it is total 340 rupees. I just pause the video and upload all this documents. So that's all. Once you submitted all the documents, you can submit and make the payment. Once that is done, they might call you for the biometrics, and photography and biometrics will be done. That's all for the day, friends. I hope this video would have been helpful for you guys. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel. For other two applications, which is IMMI 5257 and IMMI 5707, and one more IMMI 1295 is the mandatory documents, that I will make a separate video for your better understanding. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.